Welcome back to our channel, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of dashcams with the highly acclaimed Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dashcam. Whether you're a rideshare driver, a daily commuter, or just someone who values road safety, this device promises to be your ultimate companion on the road. Stick around as we explore its features, performance, and hear what real users have to say about it. Let's start with a quick overview of the Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dashcam. This dashcam is equipped with dual 1080p cameras, one facing the front and the other facing the interior of your vehicle. It's perfect for capturing both the road ahead and the activities inside your car, making it an excellent choice for rideshare drivers. One of the standout features of the N2 Pro is its dual 1080p cameras. The front camera captures crystal clear footage of the road, while the inside camera records everything happening inside your vehicle. This dual perspective is crucial for ensuring safety and accountability. But that's not all. The N2 Pro also boasts impressive infrared night vision capabilities. With its 4 IR LED lights, it provides clear visibility inside the car, even in complete darkness, ensuring you get detailed recordings day and night. For those who prioritize front-facing footage, the N2 Pro can switch to a single front camera mode, capturing footage in stunning 2.5K resolution. This higher resolution allows for greater detail, which can be critical in case of an accident. Another notable feature is the 24-hour motion sensor parking mode. When your vehicle is parked, the dashcam continuously monitors for any movement or impact, automatically recording any incidents. This feature offers peace of mind, knowing your car is protected even when you're not around. Storage is another area where the N2 Pro shines. It supports up to 256 GB of storage, allowing you to save extensive footage without constantly needing to delete old files. This is particularly useful for long trips or continuous use. The device is user-friendly with a straightforward interface, making it easy to navigate through settings and playback footage. Plus, it comes with a 2.0-inch LCD screen for quick and convenient viewing. Let's hear from some real users. The Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dashcam has an impressive overall rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars. Customers have praised its dual camera setup, night vision quality, and reliability. However, a few have mentioned that the size of the device can obstruct their view slightly. Positive feedback highlights the camera's high resolution, night vision capabilities, and extensive storage support. On the downside, some users feel that the camera's size could be a bit smaller to avoid obstructing the driver's view. Overall, the Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dashcam is a top-notch choice for those in need of a reliable and high-quality dashcam. Its dual-channel recording, excellent night vision, and useful features make it a valuable investment for any driver. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or experiences to share. Drive safe, and see you in the next video.